I want to show you some attachment brush for the Shark ZD201 lift-away upright vacuum. The vacuum attachment is a 12 inches floor brush. I'm going to push the unlock button to pull out the vacuum wand, and this is how the extension wand looks like. You'll need an adapter to attach the floor brush. The adapter is not a universal fit for Shark vacuum, so please check the size of your vacuum first. You can also attach the dusting brush as well. The dusting attachment has a standard size of 1.25 inches in diameter. This type of vacuum brush will fit majority of the vacuum brand, but you'll need an adapter for this Shark vacuum model. The inner diameter of the adapter is 1.34 inches.